Hey guys, how's it going? Well, we're just doing a cold start video, and yeah, started right up. Nice day, January, middle of January. Clean the hood off. Yeah, cold start. Ooh, warming up in here. Warming up. Oh, it's not even moving yet. Chokes on. Yeah, cold start. Alright guys, gotta move it, and then we gotta get that out, do a cold start on it. Yeah, motor's coming out. Put a bigger camshaft in it. Yeah, alright guys, let's do another cold start video on this one. But yeah, get this one moved and then this one moved. Yeah, it's like a lineup. Alright guys, take care. We're getting there. Like, share, subscribe.